Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to charge your Be Here Now headset. Before first use, we recommend that you fully charge the battery. The battery's discharge time depends on how you use it. When using the hearing amplification only, a full charge can last up to 16 hours. Using other features such as music play and/or phone calls via Bluetooth will discharge the battery sooner, but don't worry, a full recharge takes only 2 hours. Be Here's battery is located in the headset's neckband. It is rechargeable using the supplied USB cable. There are two ways to charge Be Here, either using a computer's USB port or using an AC outlet. To charge using a computer's USB port, first, plug the larger end of the cable into the computer's USB port. Then, plug the cable's smaller end into the micro USB port located in the Be Here neckband. Notice the light is now a steady red, indicating that the unit is charging. To charge using an AC outlet, first, plug the larger end of the cable into a standard USB charger. Then, plug the cable's smaller end into the micro USB port located in the Be Here neckband. The unit will vibrate to indicate a successful connection. During charging, the light will be red. When the headset is fully charged, the light will turn to a steady green. We recommend powering off the device when not in use, to save battery. Do this by pressing on the power button for about 2.5 seconds. The light will turn blue for a moment and then shut off. The unit will vibrate to indicate a successful shutdown. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.